Everyone is talking about building your own AI agent, but nobody really is talking about the hassle, the technicality it comes while building these agents. Yes, guys, whenever you think to build up your own AI agent using OpenClaw or any other provider, you are loaded with a lot of technical stuff. And if you are not a technical person, you are not aware of the terminologies, then it will be really hard for you to actually build your own AI agents, and you will be stuck in a world wherein everybody is using these agents, but you are not using these agents. So in today's video, we're letting you know about a service that helps you set up your own AI agent that does not break up at 3 a.m. and breaks your entire system, but which is very easy to set up, literally takes in 5 minutes or less, cost less than your Netflix subscriptions, comes with inbuilt AI credits that you can easily buy, purchase, upgrade, and the setup process is non-technical, literally one click under 5 minutes. So stay tuned in the video. I'll be showing you how do you set up your own AI agent that is OpenClaw without any technical knowledge like knowing Docker, knowing APIs, knowing server deployment, VPS and everything. So guys, let's get started with our video. We'll be showing you how do you set up your AI agent really fast and quickly. So firstly, let's discuss what is OpenClaw and why do you actually need it. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant that runs on its own, yes, on your infrastructure wherever you host it on, like let's suppose your own local machine or VPS. Usually VPS are recommended because it will not run on your personal machine, so the risk of losing any personal data is like that's not there. So that's a good thing about OpenClaw. And also OpenClaw, unlike ChatGPT or Claude, where your data is at someone else's server, OpenClaw gives you full control. It connects with WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, where you already talk, right? Use cases of OpenClaw is like you can use it as customer replies, personal research, replying on leads, identifying leads qualification, and there are ton number of content brainstorming that you can do, internal team assistants, and I can go all in all with describing how you can utilize OpenClaw. But I'm sure if you're here on this video, you are not here to know what OpenClaw is, but actually how do you set up it under 5 minutes using Hostinger's own OpenClaw managed setup. Yes guys, Hostinger has bought up to you within one click management setup that I'll be showing you how do you actually set this up and use it. And before we begin, don't forget to check out the link and the coupon code mentioned right here and also in the description. Click on the link. That's a special link wherein you'll be getting a discount using this coupon code and the link. So don't forget to do that. Before we move ahead, I just wanted to give you a quick reminder on this. So first things first is when you use Hostinger's setup, you will not need any API images, any technical knowledge. Everything is just one click. Even the credits you buy directly from Hostinger itself. You don't have to buy it separately, doing API integrations and stuff. It is super managed. You don't need any Docker management of sort. Everything will be managed on Hostinger's own VPS. Let's get started and let's see. This would hardly take in 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get started. So the first things first is you have to click in the video description. That is, once you click on OpenClaw, you would be redirected to this page and build your own AI agent private and live in 60 seconds. You just have to click get started. When you click get started, you can use it the following subscription, like you can use it with let's suppose managed OpenClaw, or you can use it on VPS. So let's go with this plan. Once you go with this plan, you can choose like the minimum I would say is get in 12 months because the cost will be really nice. The cost will be really competitive for this, and you can use credits, like how many credits do you want. So let's suppose like you use this much credits and recommend this as well, and then you would be asked for a coupon code. So just type in this one and you see the price is slashed, like you get it flat 10% off. You just click continue and then you sign up and do the payment. Once you log in, you will be shown up with this page OpenClaw, and as you see, I have already bought the subscriptions. I have the credits remaining. I have the Auxilab credits as well. So I'll just click it. I'll just click and I'll choose my API provider. Let's suppose we are using Nexus, so we'll just click next, and this will like simply set up everything for you. Once it is done, it will ask you to connect to your maybe WhatsApp, Discord or Telegram. Let's suppose I'll just connect it with my WhatsApp, and you just have to click it and generate a QR and add it to your linked device. So again, I'll do that. I'll just link it. The process is super simple. You don't need any technical knowledge for that. It is literally you actually saw. I just did couple of clicks and it is ready to go. You see, you can now manage using the dashboard, and you can manage the AI Pro, and also you can copy the access key. You see, that's your assistant. Therein you can do almost everything. You can build in skills, you can make agents to do couple of things, like, let's suppose you want to like do a outreach, to research, right, perform in some task, build in systems for lead management, and the usage is unlimited. Like, you can literally go all in all and do a lot of things. You can set up different APIs, like you want Anthropic, you want chat GPTs, OpenAI, and or anything that you want, that you can manage from here. And not just that, because it is on your WhatsApp, so you can literally type in things and manage it using your own WhatsApp. You see, I'm chatting, I'm asking him to send a message on my WhatsApp, and let's see if I receive that message. You see, the assistant is working, and boom, I have gotten a message right on my WhatsApp, right? And that's how it looks. I'll just attach a screenshot. And not just that, it can also message to my other numbers as well. Message to Cap like my company, social media group, hello from OpenClaw. So yes guys, that is how you set up OpenClaw using Hostinger. As you saw the process, it was literally less than 15 clicks in total, and took me less than 10 minutes in general to set up everything. So again guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, let me know in the comment section on what more topics you want the videos on. I'll be bringing in more videos around hosting OpenClaw, doing things with OpenClaw, AI website builders and whatnot. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video.